Oh my God, Venus is going to transit in Scorpio from 11th December to 4th of January 2021. From 11th December 2020 to 4th of January 2021. Hello friends, Namaskar, Sat Sri Akal, Salam, this is Amit Kapoor. So today I am going to talk about Venus transit in Scorpio with Ketu, conjunction with Ketu, natural malefic planet Ketu. And Venus is transiting, timing and date is 11th December 2020 to 4th of January 2021. So you know very well my all predictions are based on your ascendant sign, nothing to do with your moon sign, nothing to do with your sun sign. Just follow my videos, keep your ascendant sign in your mind and listen my video. Now I'm going to talk about Aries ascendants. Aries ascendants, your 7th house lord, your 12th house lord transit in your 8th house with Ketu receiving aspect from Rahu from 2nd house. You need to be careful. You need to be careful and alert dealing with your spouse. You need to be careful and alert from 11th December 2020 to 4th of January 2021 while dealing with your business partner. You need to be careful about your stomach related trouble. Aries ascendants, this Venus transit is not very promising for your source of earning. You will be under debts. You need to take some money from any of your friends or government side as a loan, which will give you back after a few months. But from 11th December to 4th of January 2021, Venus will be in your 8th house with Scorpio, which is not very productive transit. Give some respect to your wife. Don't start any argument or fight with your wife. If you are trying to argument or fight with your wife, you will definitely involve in any big problem, because your source of earning and your wife house is same as 7th house. If you plan anything related to your foreign activities, then you have to wait till 4th of January. This is not a very productive time to travel anywhere. If you are planning to foreign for work permit, you may go, but if you plan for any short trip of your business, then you don't go till 4th of Jan. Aries, you need to be humble, be polite while talking with elders, especially with your spouse. Venus is in not comfortable position in your 8th house. Be careful while driving. Take care of your health. Take care of your secret parts of your health. Aries, give some respect to a spouse. I'm telling you again and again. If you give respect to your wife, if you give respect to your girlfriend, you will definitely feel much relaxed and better. Now I'm going to talk about Taurus ascendants. Ascendants Lord Taurus transit in Venus transit in 7th house with Ketu, conjunction with Ketu. Your sexual desire will rise. You will enjoy a lot of comforts. Unmarried people, they may get companion. This is a time when someone new enter in your life as a love affair. You may like someone, someone may like you, someone may propose you. Relationship with your spouse will be under shadow, but Venus is very comfortable in 7th house, because in Kalpurush Kundli, Venus, this is own house of Venus. Venus is very comfortable in 7th house. You will enjoy a lot of benefits. Your daily income will rise, and some new partnership opportunities will knock you. You will enjoy quality time with your family and friends. Your spouse will support you. Your family will support you. You will earn a lot of money. You will earn a lot of name, fame. Some new business activity or some new business dealing, some new business opportunity with your business partner may start in this transit from 11th December 2022, 4th of April 2021. Venus transit in your 7th house, being a lord of your 1st house, transit in your 7th house and aspecting is on your 1st house. Your looking personality will improve. You will enjoy a lot of comforts. You will looking very beautiful and charming personality. People get attracted from you. Venus transit in your 7th house, you will get a lot of marriage proposal if you are unmarried, or you will get a lot of business opportunities. Partnership opportunities are there. Your source of earning will develop. Your open enemies will try to harm you, but they are not able to do anything wrong, because your ascendant lord is in 7th house and aspecting is on 1st house. You will enjoy a lot of comforts. Your enemies, your competitors are not able to stand in front of you because you are a shining star during this transit. 11th December 2021 to 11th December 2020 to 4th of January 2021. Taurus, this is a time when you will be sky high. Your seniors will be satisfied from your performance. Your health will be fine. You will enjoy a lot of comforts. You will earn a lot of money from your professional life, from your workplace. All around, this is a wonderful transit of Venus, Taurus, for you. Do your wonders, put your 100% best at your workplace. You may like someone, that is for sure, if you are unmarried. Or you may get some proposal from opposite gender if you are unmarried. If you are married, then maybe someone may like you, but there's a strong chances you will enjoy a lot of mental peace. Venus aspecting is on your first house. People are trying to sit with you and talk with you. You will get a lot of respect from your friends and family. Now I'm going to talk about Gemini ascendants. Gemini, Venus is your ruling planet, being your 5th house lord, transit in your 6th house. You need to be careful while dealing with others. Unemployed guys may get job, there is no doubt. Your source of earning will develop, there is no doubt. Some foreign activities make you happy, there is no doubt. But everything is very slow and very delayed because planets are not supporting you. From 11th December 2020 to 4th of January 2021, your all things will work, your all work will click, but after some delay, after some hurdles, after some obstacles. But overall, you will enjoy a lot of comforts, you will enjoy a lot of good deeds and good things because your 5th house lord, Venus, transit in your 6th house. Your old investment will give you fruitful result during this transit from stock market. You may earn some money from intraday, but you don't invest your new money during this time. From 11th December 2020 to 4th January 2021, this is not very productive time for you, Gemini. Try to be humble with your loved one. Don't start any fighting or arguments with your girlfriend. Give some respect to your girlfriend. What is Venus? Venus is opposite gender. If you are male, try to give respect to your wife or girlfriend. If you are female, then you try to give respect to your husband or your boyfriend. Your sexual desires will rise. Try to keep calm and try to be in a relationship. Gemini, this is not very productive time for you, but overall you will get good results. Now I'm going to talk about Cancer ascendants. Cancer ascendants, Venus is not a beneficiary planet for you, but transit in your Trikona Bhav in your 5th house. There is a strong chances to any type of ceremony at your home. Some good events will happen. Some unexpected money will knock you. Your lost love will come back. Your old friend will enter in your life. You will be in a relationship with someone. Someone may like you. Someone may like you or propose you. You may like someone or propose him or her. Cancer, your source of earning will develop because Venus 7th aspect is on your 11th house, where is Rahu transit. You will enjoy a lot of comforts. You will enjoy a lot of good things. You will spend your money on luxury. You will spend your money on your branded clothes. Cancer ascendants, this is a time when you will be in a relationship if you are unmarried. If you are married, your spouse will love you and support you. Your business will be flourish and you will enjoy very good money. You will enjoy very good profit from your workplace. Your seniors will be enjoy. Your seniors will be happy from your performance and they will enjoy a lot. If you are jobless, you get job from 11th December to 4th January 2021. Try to do your efforts to find a job. If you are a businessman, your business started giving you some small profit because Venus is in your 5th house in Trikona Bhav. Now I'm going to talk about Leo ascendants. Leo ascendants, Venus is not beneficiary planet, not a ruling planet for you. Transit in your 4th house. You need to be careful while dealing with your mother. Health of your mother will be a matter of concern. A relationship with your wife and your mother is not very promising. You are not in a comfort zone. You are feeling very low energy. Your domestic atmosphere will create some problem. Your homely atmosphere will be suffered. You're not relaxed, you're not mentally well. You're doing everything, but after tension, after struggle, after hurdles. Leo, you need to do your best in your all relationship, special with wife, with mother. Try to make a balance between mother and wife. Leo, this is a time when God check your some small patience. Listen your wife, listen your mother, but keep all these things in your mind. Don't share, don't exchange the talks between your mother and wife during this transit. Otherwise, your homely atmosphere will be affected. Leo, this is not very productive time. Don't sign any new deal. Don't try to start any new business venture. Now I'm going to talk about Virgo Ascendant, Venus transit in your third house. You are in a far better position. You will enjoy a lot of short journeys, and your short journeys will make you happy. You will enjoy a lot of comforts, health, wealth. This is a time when your younger siblings will support you, or you may get some good news from communications. Your health will fine, and you will be in a great confidence. Upchaya Bhav in third house, Ketu and Venus conjunction is in your Upchaya Bhav, third house, Virgo for you from 11 December to 4 January 2021. You will be sky high. You will be rock. Your strong hard work and your strong willpower create something new at your workplace. Your seniors will be satisfied. You may get promoted. This is a time when your good fortune started smile for you, because Venus 7th aspect is on your 9th house. Some long distance journeys will make you happy. Virgo, try to be positive, do your best. Don't get upset or confused while start anything new. This is the ultimate time for you. Now I'm going to talk about Libra Ascendant. Your Ascendant Lord transit in your second house. In Kalpurush chart, Venus is very comfortable and relaxed in second house. You will earn a lot of money. Savings will knock you. Some women will support you. Libra, this is a time your mother, your sister, your wife, your girlfriend will support you. You will get support from opposite gender. You will enjoy a lot of eating habits. Second house Venus transit, you will enjoy a big family atmosphere. You will enjoy very good weekends with your family and friends. Venus is very comfortable in second house. Your source of earning will develop. Your money matters will be far better compared to past 1 or 2 months. Suddenly your savings will improve, and you will enjoy a lot of comforts. Libra, this is a time when your old dreams and desires will be fulfilled related to your finance. Your liquid money, your cash in hand make you happy. Now I'm going to talk about Scorpio Ascendant, being your 7th lord and your 12th lord transit in your first house with Ketu. Need to be careful, Scorpio, while driving. Need to be careful while talking with your spouse. Give some respect to your spouse. Give some respect to women. Give some respect to your mother as well as your sister as well as your wife. If you give respect to opposite gender, you will definitely get very good business at your workplace, because your daily income connected with women's. Your daily income connected with woman blessings or woman love. If you are married man, you need to give some love to your wife. You need to show your love as a token, as a gift, as a token of your love to your wife. You must take blessings from your mother. First house transit Venus with Ketu. You will enjoy a lot of comforts. There is no doubt. You will enjoy a lot of money. Some unexpected gains will make you happy. Some foreign transactions will make you happy. Money matters will be far better. You will enjoy a lot of comforts, good health, wealth. Some foreign transactions will make you happy. If you are importer exporter, you will get new order from foreign land and you will enjoy a lot of cash flow. Your daily income will rise, but must give respect to your spouse, must give respect to your mother, sister, any woman at your home. Try to give some gift as a token of love to your loved one. You will be top. Now I'm going to talk about Sagittarius. Venus transit in your 12th house with Ketu. You will be getting upset due to some unexpected expenditures will irritate you. Some long distance journeys will make you happy, but whatever you expect from your journeys, your expectations are not fulfilled. Venus transit in 12th house, you will enjoy a lot of love moments with your spouse or your girlfriend. You will enjoy a lot of comfort from opposite gender. 12th house Venus transit, unexpected money you may spend on your girlfriend. Unplanned expenditures will irritate you. Some long distance or short distance journeys are there. Don't be a part of any litigation. Don't be a part of any fight or any type of arguments at your workplace, especially with your spouse. Venus Ketu conjunction is not very promising in 12th house, but if you give some respect to your spouse, if you in a good talks with your spouse, you will definitely enjoy this transit. Otherwise, some unexpected expenditures will irritate you and you are not in a comfort zone. Now I'm going to talk about Capricorn ascendants. Capricorn Venus transit in your 11th house. Your source of earning will rise. You will enjoy a lot of benefit, monetary gain. Your wishes will be fulfilled. Your desires will be fulfilled. Some new friends will enter in your life. You will enjoy multiple source of earning. If you are single, you will be in an affair. Your new affair will start. Your desires will be fulfilled. And after start your affair, your good fortune start to smile for you. 11th house Venus transit, you will enjoy a lot of comforts, daily income, source of earning. You will feel blessed. If you are married woman or man, you will enjoy very good moment with your loved one, because Jupiter Saturn is already in first house and Venus is in 11th house, and 7th aspect is on your 5th house, which is a house of your loved affair, love's activity. Capricorn, you need to spend some time with your family, with your husband, with your spouse. You will definitely rock in this transit. Now I'm going to talk about Aquarius. Aquarius Venus transit in your 10th house. Some new business deal will make you happy, but must read documents before signing any new deal. 10th house Venus transit will give you a lot of success at your workplace. Your old investment will give you fruitful result, but health of your wife will matter of concern. Good fortune is in your favor. You will get a lot of money due to your good fortune is in your favor. Your old stock will sail out automatically, because your Venus is your beneficiary planet, which is transit in your 10th house. You will enjoy a lot of comforts. Cash flow will make you happy, but health of your wife will matter of concern. Skin related trouble will seen. Venus transit in your 10th house from 11th December to 4th January 2021. You will be sky high in the terms of professional life. You will enjoy a lot of comforts, peace of mind, money. You will get money from multiple sources of earning. Your old stock will sold out automatically, because your fortune is in your favor due to the Venus. Try to do your 100% efforts at workplace, Aquarius. You will definitely achieve lot of good things from 11th December to 4th January 2021. Now I'm going to talk about Pisces ascendants. Venus transit in your 9th house, Bhagya house. You need to be careful while signing any new documents. Long distance journey will make you happy. Your spouse will support you. You will enjoy a lot of good moments with your spouse. Pisces, this is a time when your friends will give you wonderful advice. Pisces, this is a time when your old dreams and desires will be fulfilled and you will enjoy a lot of comforts. Pisces, you need to be careful about your health. Skin related trouble will irritate you. Sperm related trouble will irritate you. Some hidden problems will irritate you. But in the monetary terms, you will get unexpected gains from multiple sources of earning. You will enjoy a long distance journey. If you plan any type of long distance journey, then this is a very fruitful time. Pisces, do your wonders, give your 100% at your workplace. You will be top and sky high during this transit, but you need to be careful about your health. Thank you for watching my video. Namaskar, Sat Sri Akal, Salam.